You are gonna want to know forever. Now get you close and I'm gonna let you know. All right. Ha ha. Hello, all you big boppers, little boppers, and all you crazy cats out there. I'm the Wolfman coming at you almost live and in person, direct from Orlando, Florida, the animation capital of the world. It is my distinct pleasure to give you a brief, close encounter of the animal kind.